Thanks so much for the breakfast. Me did hungry afraid.
No problem. Me call you here, come on ask you something. I want a baby. I want you to carry it for me.
Carry it for you? What do you mean by that?
My husband will impregnate you. And when the baby come, you give it to us. We're gonna pay you, don't worry.
What you talk about? You don't realize say you have my sister, you want me to breed for your husband and get the baby? But it's not safe.
Aliyah, you know from when me I try have a baby, come on man. Come on man. You know much me been through for have a baby? Adoption. All them something there and me can't get through, so me just ask you for this one favor. We're gonna pay a whole heap of money. Remember say you want a new car?